This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia Ramsby. Beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. New kitchen including wood cabinets, granite counter and new center island. You have to see this renovation to appreciate it. The new luxury waterproof laminate floors set the tone for the neutral color palette. The doors are replaced, including all new closet doors. New blinds, new water heater, new dishwasher. Carrier air conditioner is newer and has been fully serviced. Both windows at front of condo have been replaced. This home was tastefully and carefully renovated. The unit offers an inside laundry closet near the kitchen. The great room has plenty of space for the whole family. Both the great room and the master bedroom have large sliders leading to a rear screened-in porch and privacy fencing. Tuscany Place is a gated community within the beautiful Tuscawilla area. Tuscawilla Golf Course is nearby, as well as the popular Trotwood Park, which is next door. This large neighborhood park has a splash pad, multiple playgrounds, tennis courts, pickleball, baseball diamonds, basketball court, pavillion, fishing pier and picnic area. The condo is close to shopping, schools and restaurants and easy access to downtown Orlando and major roads. Come see this move-in ready home. For more information, review the details below.